Welcome to the SureFit Medicare Document Management ordering tutorial. The Medicare Document Management, or MDM Portal, allows you to order diabetic shoes and inserts and have your documentation reviewed by the SureFit team to improve your success rate for Medicare submission. In this video, we'll cover how to place an order in the MDM Portal. First, go to surefitlab.com. When you reach the home page, select the prescription icon at the top of the screen. When you reach the dashboard, scroll down and select the Patient Evaluation Form link. The Patient Evaluation Form is used to enter in patient information, the diagnosis, the foot deformity, the products being ordered, foot measurements, current shoe evaluation, and the foot evaluation, all of which will be entered into the MDM portal after completion. The patient evaluation form is for your use only. Please do not submit the patient evaluation form to SureFit or send it with your phone box or scan.
Keep this in your patient records to reference later or for any Medicare review.
Once you've collected your patient evaluation information, you can place an order. Hover over the Orders tab and select New Order. SureFit has three methods to submit an order into the MDM portal. The first is SureFit Obtains.
With this option, SureFit will collect the necessary documents and review them on your behalf. The second option is Self. With Self, you can enter the patient and order information and use the documentation yourself to fax and collect the information from the MD. Once you are satisfied and feel it's ready for claim submission, be sure to let us know when to release the order. Orders may cancel after 60 days if we are not notified.
The final option is to place an order without any document collection or review.
However, if you don't need document collection or review for your shoe and prefab order, you can use surefitlab.com to place an order.
With the SureFit website, you'll have access to live stock availability, tracking information, order history, and more. To learn more about using the SureFit website, reach out to your SureFit Account Manager. For this tutorial, we'll follow the SureFit Obtains path. Select Add New Patient. There are 4 steps to place an order. First, you will complete Patient Setup. Please note that any field with a red asterisk will be required to move forward with the order. The most efficient way to complete your order is to use the patient evaluation form to transfer information. Enter in the patient and compliance data. Next, you'll select the diagnosis and secondary condition. As an FYI, the CPT codes will only appear when you're selecting the condition. They will not appear again. Finally, you'll select which type of products you need to order: off-the-shelf shoes and either custom or prefabricated inserts. If you have an L5000 toe fill, you'll select that as well. To move on, hit Next. Now we've moved to the product ordering step. Select the desired shoe style for your patient. The drop-down menu will allow you to select a matched or mixed pair. There are times that a patient has different sized feet. We have on-staff CPEDs that can help you make this choice if needed. If you need us to size the shoe for you, make sure you select Custom Size and Width. Next, you will add the inserts to the order. There are several options for custom inserts. For toe fill combinations, select the 3-in-1 inserts. You can also select Bilam, Trilam, or Cork. Today we're going to select Bilam. You will select your options. In this example, since we're having SureFit size the shoe for us, we'll select Custom Size and Width. The inserts are available in 1, 2, or 3 pair. Most people choose 3 pair. Next, We want to enter the information that was submitted to the patient evaluation form. This section will help determine the correct size as well as the production of the insert. If you have accommodations, make your selections here. If you don't have any, you must select None to be able to continue. If you have any additional comments about the order, you can enter them in the comments section. The final step is to review the order. Make sure you select whether you are submitting a scan or crush box.
If this is a replacement order, select the checkbox and add your previous order number.
Add any final comments, and now you're ready to submit the order. Once you've submitted the order, you'll be able to find the documentation. You'll find the CMN, the Certified Physician Statement, the RMR or Relevant Medical Records, MD Treatment Verification, Patient Instructions and Warranty Receipt, Progress Note, DME Post Standards, Attestation, Chart Note Request, and the crush form. If you are sending a crush box, you will want to print the crush form and include it with your phone box. That completes the SureFit Medicare Document Management Portal ordering tutorial. Remember, if you don't need documentation, you can always order through surefitlab.com. If you have additional questions about the MDM portal, contact our MDM department. Also, if you want to receive more SureFit content and videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.